Welcome back. Now there are tools within the contacts menu that you'll want to be aware of. Now in terms of some of these links, you're going to notice that they are overlap with other menus, and we'll see them in other videos when we cover some of the other tools in ActiveCampaign. In particular, one of the things you want to be aware of is the exclusion management link. When we click that link, we can create a specific exclusion within a specific list. And when we create this exclusion, what we're doing is we are giving ourselves the opportunity to send to an entire list and yet exclude certain individuals that we do not want to have access to a specific email. We can also clean up our list. For example, we can pick a specific list. We can state that we want all of those that are going to be unsubscribed before a specific date to be removed from this list. Now, it's just possible that we may not have any individuals, but again, if we have a reason for wanting to remove certain individuals from our list, we can do that. What this also does is this keeps inactive contacts out of your list so that they will not count against the number that determines what you're going to be paying. You can also organize your contacts by organization. So for example, we can add in a specific organization, and then what we can do is we can add in certain individuals to that organization. So if we go back inside of our contacts, we can add in individuals to this organization. We can also manage any tags that we have, and we can bulk add individuals to those tags. So for example, we can bulk edit all 4 contacts. We can then add in a specific tag. You'll see our tag become available. And then we'll add the tag to those 4 individuals and apply the changes. So our contact management tools give us control over how we designate the way we want our contacts to be classified. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.